Hero to zero. In the summer of 2023, weight loss drugs became a massive story. A story so big it threatened to steal AI's crown. The success of first Ozempic and then Wegovy meant stocks like Novo Nordisk became as popular as Nvidia and Microsoft. That hasn't lasted. The AI revolution continues, but weight loss drugs have taken a beating. Disappointing trial results last month prompted a 20% drop in Novo's share price. That was one of the largest one-day declines for any European company. In total, the stock price has fallen more than 40% from its peak last July. The unwind has been driven by company-specific news, disappointing clinical trials, and increased competition. But while company news dominated through 2023 and 24, note macro relevance has risen to 77% on IQ. Big picture stuff like growth and inflation now explain over 3/4 of price action in the stock. The other standout from this chart is IQ model value. It fell hard over the second half of 2024, but more recently it's turned up. So in short, 1. Macro has become more important, and 2. Macro conditions are improving. Novo currently sits 45% below IQ's model fair value. That's an extreme going back 15 years. In reality, the catalyst for a reversal higher will have to come from company news again. The next results are due February 5th. Will management have good news on their weight loss drugs being available in oral form rather than via injections? The convenience of pills would be a real game changer. But at these levels, both micro and macro seem to agree that the risk-reward suggests Novo is worth revisiting.